Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a gift certificate on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and click to the gift option next to the marketing, scroll down and click to the gift certificate option under the mag. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures to your project, just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva. Or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section, you can choose or search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, grids and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. Here you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the pink square icon next to the design button and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that. You can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write your text. Here you can edit this text. If you want to change the style, click to the arrow next to the CSS text type name, and here you can choose another text type or font type and just select one and step on it. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.